In the heart of Igboland lies a sacred tradition that connects the Igbo people to their ancestors, the land, and their spirituality. Welcome to Ahia Njoku, a revered cultural heritage site that embodies the essence of Igbo tradition. Ahia Njoku, which translates to Njoku's market, is a significant cultural and historical site for the Igbo people. It is named after the legendary Njoku, a revered figure in Igbo mythology. Njoku is credited with introducing yam cultivation, a staple crop, to the Igbo people. This sacred site is dedicated to the worship of the earth goddess Ani and other deities. Ani is considered the mother of all things, and her blessings are sought for fertility and prosperity. Ahia Njoku represents the Igbo people's deep connection with their ancestors, the land, and their spirituality. The market is not just a place of trade but also a venue for cultural exchange and communal bonding. It's a symbol of their reverence for the divine and their commitment to maintaining balance and harmony in nature. Through rituals and ceremonies, the Igbo people honor their ancestors and seek to live in harmony with the natural world. At Ahia Njoku, various cultural practices take place, including traditional dances, music, and rituals. These vibrant performances are not just for entertainment but are deeply rooted in the community's history and beliefs. The community comes together to offer sacrifices and prayers to the earth goddess and other deities, seeking blessings, protection, and fertility. These rituals are performed with great reverence and are believed to maintain harmony between the people and the spiritual world. Traditional Igbo cuisine is also an integral part of Ahia Njoku's cultural practices. The preparation of these meals is often a communal activity, bringing people together in a shared experience. The community shares traditional meals, such as AKPU and egusi soup, which are prepared with locally sourced ingredients and age-old recipes passed down through generations. These meals are more than just food, they are a symbol of unity and gratitude, reflecting the strong bonds and collective spirit of the Igbo people. Efforts are being made to preserve and promote Ahia Njoku's cultural significance. The site is being developed as a tourist destination, allowing visitors to experience Igbo culture firsthand. Researchers and scholars are also documenting Ahia Njoku's history, cultural practices, and significance to ensure its preservation for future generations. Ahia Njoku is a testament to the richness and depth of Igbo culture and tradition. This sacred place holds centuries of history, where every ritual and ceremony tells a story of our ancestors' wisdom and resilience. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and connecting with our ancestors and the land. The stories shared by our elders are invaluable, offering insights into our past and guiding us into the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Ahia Njoku. We hope this exploration has deepened your appreciation for the vibrant traditions and enduring spirit of the Igbo people. May we continue to honor our cultural heritage and keep our traditions alive. Let us celebrate and pass down these customs to future generations, ensuring that the legacy of Ahia Njoku endures.